The cargo ship Pyxis Ocean, which, in addition to a conventional engine, is equipped with sails set off on its maiden voyage. The dry cargo ship itself was built 5 years ago, and now it has received 2-wing sails wind wings with a height of 37.5 meters. They were installed on the deck of the vessel. BR Technologies' Pyxis Ocean was chartered by U.S. agricultural supplier Cargill. The dry cargo ship will make a test flight from Singapore to Brazil, and then, probably, deliver a cargo of grain to Denmark. After that, the ship will remain in the North Atlantic to make the most of wind power, according to Jan Dielman, president of Cargill's shipping business. It is expected that the use of wind energy will save up to 1.5 tons of fuel per day and reduce carbon dioxide emissions by 30% over the entire life of a cargo ship. Jan Dielman also noted that the use of such technology for sea freight is a risk, and there is no guarantee that the savings will actually be significant. However, now it is important to show the industry that the use of such sails on modern ships is generally possible. In the future, there will be other vessels that will be equipped with wind turbines initially, Dielman believes. However, it is difficult to predict how and when exactly this will happen. Did you like the video? Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new videos.